Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburaki from Tut Plus 24. Today I am going to start uh, another video tutorial for JavaScript ES6. Today I am going to discuss about the class and inheritance. So ES6 supports class like other object-oriented programming like C# or Java. So we can create a full-fledged class and we can enjoy the feature. So let us start the class. I'm going to create a class called person, and class will have a constructor. So I'm going to create it. A constructor is a special method of a class which will run automatically when any class will be instantiated or object will be created. So in my class, I want to add some arguments into the constructor as a property of this class. Then later on I will assign it some properties. For a person, I can think a person will have a name, and for example age, and assigning this name equal to name, and age is equal to this age equal to age. And I want to display this name and age, and for that I'm creating some method. So any function inside the class will be termed as a method. Person name, console log this dot name. You can write here my name is, and I can copy it, and I can create another method called person age. My age is age, and I'm going to create an object for this class. For example, Sikandar new person and name Sikandar and age 35. So here I am instantiating this class or creating an object, Sikandar object, and I am going to display the object properties and name. So I will have to write Sikandar dot person name, and the dot age. Let us see. Yeah, my name is Sikandar. My age is 35. So this is the thing, like we are instantiating a class and creating some object, and we are displaying that object method using this class. So this we can do. Now we can create some static method. For example, static with the static keyword. Great. Here I can write I can write hello everyone, and I can write this here. Oh no. To show the static method, we need not to create any object or instantiate the class. So we can directly call this static method preceded the class name, preceded by the class name person dot great. So this is the way that we can call the static method. The main difference between the normal method and the static method is for other methods we need to create the object or instantiate the class. Without creating the object we cannot call these methods, but for static method we need not to instantiate it in the class or create any object. We can call it through the class name dot that method name. So what we have learned so long, the constructor, property, methods, and static methods, and instantiate and create multiple objects. Okay, I did not create multiple objects. I create one object. So I'm going to create another object. Alex. Alex is 25. So I'm going to copy this thing and just changing the object name. Sorry, and refresh. So we can see here Alex and age 25. So by this way we can create multiple objects from a single class. Now I'm going to show how we can uh, inherit our class. So I'm creating another class like class employee extends person. So we can assume employee is a person. So employee will have all the properties and methods of person class. And in addition to that, employee class may have its own properties and methods. So I can create the constructor for this, and this is as we are extending this person class, so we will get all the properties declared into the constructor of its parent class. Sometimes this person class is called the uh, syntactically it is called superclass, or and this employee class is called the child class, and child class will have all the properties of the parent class properties and methods. So this thing, and I can write one more property here, that is salary. So employee may have the salary, and we don't want to repeat the code here, so to avoid this repeating we can use another method which is called the super, and this super method will call the constructor of the parent class. So I can uh, mention here, and I can get rid of these lines, and here I will have to mention this only, this property, additional property, this dot salary is equal to salary, this much. So now I'm going to create a method for this employee class. I'm going to show the employee info. So I can write console, or uh, I can write uh, this name gets the salary. So this dot salary. Okay, now I'm going to create this object, for example, late, Sherman, new employee, and the parameter will be name, Sherman, age 23, and salary will be like 25,000, and I can call the method Sharmin dot uh, person name, age, person age, and also this method Sharmin dot employee info. So here you see uh, okay, here you say here I am creating another child class, and I'm extending the parent class person, and here the child class is employee. Here I'm calling the parent class object properties, and in addition to that I am calling here salary. I'm adding, and when I'm creating the object, so I'm adding three properties here as a argument, an argument here, and I am calling Sharmin dot person name, and this person name is not the property of direct property of this employee class, but as it has its parent class, so it is getting the property method support from its parent class. Actually, we'll have to think when we'll create a child class. Within the child class, all the methods and properties of the parent class will be available. So this is the basic thing. So by this way, we can create the employee object. So we can create another employee object like Samira is 2, and also I am copying. So I am refreshing. Here you see the age of my name is Samira, my age is 22, and Samira gets the salary 30,000. So this is the call, isn't it? So by this way we can create the class in JavaScript ES6. So I hope this will be informative for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. So see you next. Thank you.